Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get knowledge. Let us see some MCQs for nursing exams. So let's start. First question. After bleeding, implantation bleeding occurs after how many days? 14 to 18 days, 6 to 12 days, 2 to 4 days, 20 to 28 days. So implantation bleeding occurs on 6 to 12 days. Epistaxis management includes the following action except applying pressure by pinch of the nose, keeping the patient in sitting position with neck flexed, allowing the patient to sneeze, applying ice over the nose. So management includes except allowing the patient to sneeze. Next, perception without stimulus is called as hallucination, delusion, delirium, illusion. So perception without stimulus is called as delirium. Next, most common incision in episiotomy is medial, medium, lateral, mediolateral, none of this. Common incision in episiotomy is mediolateral. Next, the process which deactivates the microbes but does not kill them is known as autoclaving, disinfection, sanitation, sterilization. So which deactivates the microbes but does not kill them, that is the process called disinfection. Which of the following is a sign of severe dehydration in infants? Sunken fontanelle, warm skin, moist tongue, decreased tears. Sign of severe dehydration is sunken fontanelle. Next. Apgar score 9 means the newborn is distressed, cyanotic, hypoxia, normal. Apgar score 9 means it is normal. Risk factors associated with cerebral vascular accidents are hypertension, cardiac disease, diabetes, all of this. So risk factors associated with cerebral vascular accident is hypertension. Narrowing of the external auditory canal is called as atresia, stenosis, otis, octomycosis. Narrowing of the external auditory canal is atresia. Decreased liver span is seen in alcoholism, depression, cirrhosis of liver, jaundice. So decreased liver span is seen in a condition called as cirrhosis of liver. Which of the following lung sound is predominant in a patient with asthma in exacerbation? Rhonchi, crackles, pleural rub, wheezes. Lung sound is predominant in asthma is lung sound is wheezes. Which valve prevents the backflow of blood into the right ventricles? Aortic valve, semilunar valve, mitral valve, tricuspid valve. So backflow of blood into the right ventricle is prevented by semilunar valve. Most common complication of myocardial infarction is dysrhythmia, heart failure, generalized edema, respiratory failure. Common complication of myocardial infarction is dysrhythmia. In myasthenia gravis patients, early symptoms include ptosis, salivation, paralysis, dysphagia. Early symptoms of myasthenia gravis is ptosis. In which degree of burns both epidermis and dermis are involved? First degree burns, second degree burns, third degree or fourth degree. So both epidermis and dermis are involved in the third degree burns. These are some of the questions I discussed here, so I'll be discussing more in the coming videos. So if you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.